Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best taco party decor is probably one of the most vibrant and fun ways to elevate your next fiesta, transforming any space into an authentic Mexican celebration that will wow your guests and make your event unforgettable. From colorful banners and playful papel picado to themed tableware and eye-catching centerpieces, the right decorations set the mood and create a festive atmosphere that's perfect for any gathering, whether it's a birthday, a holiday, or just a casual get-together with friends and family. Number 5. Taco Bar Decoration Kit. Get ready to impress your guests with our vibrant taco bar decoration kit. It's designed with authentic Mexican-themed colors and styles to set the perfect festive mood. Crafted from high-quality cardstock with crisp, clear printing, these decorations are built to last. The signs are designed to fit perfectly in an 8 by 10 inch frame, and the tent cards are a convenient size for labeling. Setting up is a breeze. The banner comes pre-strung and ready to hang, while the tent cards make labeling your delicious topping simple. You can even customize the blank cards for a personal touch. This kit is the ultimate addition to any Mexican fiesta, Cinco de Mayo celebration, or any party with a taco theme. It's perfect for birthdays, bridal showers, weddings, and more. Your taco bar kit includes a pre-strung banner, 2 fun signs, taco bar and walking tacos, and a generous set of food tent cards, both pre-labeled and blank for your convenience. What we like? This kit offers a complete taco bar setup with a pre-strung banner and various signs. It also includes customizable cards for your specific needs. If you are looking for a hassle-free way to label your taco bar and create a cohesive look, this is the perfect choice for your next fiesta. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the designs are festive, really adding to the party atmosphere. Easy to set up and take down, making cleanup a breeze after the event. Durable materials that held up well throughout the party, even with kids around. Number 4. Juvale Fiesta Cocktail Napkins. Elevate your party with these stylish cocktail napkins. They bring a touch of fun and festivity to any gathering. Whether it's a birthday, a holiday, or just a casual get-together, these napkins are the perfect addition. They are designed to complement your festive decor. Featuring a vibrant cactus and taco design, these napkins add a playful element to your table setting. They are sure to be a conversation starter. Crafted from 3-ply paper, they offer excellent absorbency and durability. You can count on them to handle any spills or messes with ease. Each pack contains 50 napkins, ensuring you have plenty for all your guests. They are conveniently sized at 5 by 5 inches. The elegant gold foil accents add a touch of sophistication to the design. They catch the light beautifully, making your table setting truly shine. What we like? These napkins feature elegant gold foil with a fun, Let's Fiesta design. They are perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to your Mexican-themed event. If you want to elevate your party's aesthetic and impress your guests with chic details, these are the napkins for you. What people say. So cute and great quality. They went perfect with our party theme. Served with cake and margaritas. Not cheap or flimsy 10-10. These are the thicker, high-quality napkins. I bought them for a taco bar shower and they were perfect. Cute and exactly as pictured. These went perfect with my Fiesta bridal shower. Number 3. Donkey Theme Fiesta Party Banner. Get ready for a fiesta with our vibrant donkey theme party banner. It's the perfect addition to any celebration, bringing a touch of fun and festivity to your event. Crafted from high-quality 300 GSM cardstock, this banner features 11 unique cutouts that extend up to 98 inches. It's built to last and impress your guests. Decorating is a breeze. You can easily hang it on walls, backdrops, or overhangs. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor parties, adding charm wherever you place it. This donkey-themed decoration is ideal for kids' birthdays, baby showers, Cinco de Mayo, or any festive gathering. It adds a playful touch for boys, girls, and even classroom or office parties. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues, please contact us. Your happiness is our top priority, and we're here to help make your party a success. What we like? This banner set comes with adorable donkey-themed cutouts and is easy to assemble and hang. It's ideal for a fun and unique kid's birthday or baby shower. If you're planning a Taco Tuesday or a Mexican-themed party with a playful twist, this decoration will be a hit. What people say. These are cute little banners. They're well made and the printing is strong, they're pretty sturdy. Easy to string together and hang up. The detail and coloring is good, and they are thick enough to reuse. Number 2. Blue Panda Fiesta Plates and Napkins Dinnerware Set. Get ready to fiesta with this all-in-one dinnerware set. It's perfect for any festive gathering and serves up to 24 guests with vibrant, lively designs. Add a vibrant flair to your taco-themed party with these charming Mexican-inspired plates and napkins. They feature fun designs that will create a lively atmosphere. Enjoy your party without the stress of cleanup. These disposable supplies make hosting a breeze, so you can focus on the fun. Crafted from high-quality paper, these plates and cups are built to last. They resist tears and folds, ensuring they can handle all your party food and drinks. With ideal dimensions, these 9-inch plates and 9-ounce cups are perfect for any occasion. Their colorful designs add a festive touch to birthdays and casual get-togethers alike. What we like. This dinnerware set provides everything you need for 24 guests, including plates, cups, and napkins, all with vibrant Mexican designs. It's perfect for large gatherings and ensures easy cleanup. If you're hosting a big taco party and want a convenient, colorful, and complete tableware solution, this set is a fantastic option. What people say. The taco party decorations were a hit at our fiesta. Great quality and vibrant colors really added to the festive atmosphere. Easy to assemble and looked fantastic on the dessert table. Number 1. ZERODECO Party Decoration Set. Elevate your next celebration with our multicolor hanging decorations. This set includes everything you need to create a festive atmosphere. You'll receive triangular pennants, paper pom-poms, paper fans, and garland strings. All in a beautiful array of colors to match any theme. Setting them up is a breeze, just fluff and hang. They're perfect for adding a romantic and cozy touch to your event. Hang them from the ceiling, trees, or create a stunning backdrop. These decorations are incredibly versatile for any party setting. Ideal for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, or any fiesta. These decorations are sure to impress your guests. Each pom-pom and fan comes individually packed with easy instructions. Ribbons are included, making assembly simple. What we like. This set includes a wide array of hanging paper decorations like fans, pom-poms, and garlands in multicolors. They are simple to fluff and hang, creating a festive ambience. If you want to easily transform your space with a burst of color and texture for any celebration, especially a fiesta or Mexican-themed party, this is a great choice. What people say. The vibrant colors and fun taco designs made our fiesta a huge hit. Easy to set up and reusable for future parties. Great quality, the banners and balloons held up well throughout the event. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.